Ms. Himabindu, hearty
Yes.
congratulations on securing All India rank 42 in electrical branch of engineering in GATE 2022.
Thank you so much, sir.
Ms. Himabindu, it is a very proud moment for all of us. Tell us from ACE Academy, what type of coaching program that you have availed?
Sir, I have enrolled for classroom coaching, sir, which had started on July 20, I think.
July 20th of 2020,
2021, sir.
2021.
Yes, sir.
So recently you have taken classroom coaching
Yes,
from
sir.
ACE Academy.
Yes, sir.
So from which center?
From Dilshuk Nagar, sir, which was transferred to Kottapet recently.
Yeah, Dilshuk Nagar, Hyderabad center, right?
Yes, sir.
Hyderabad
Yes, sir.
center.
Yes,
So you are a classroom coaching student, right? Very good.
Yes.
We are proud of you.
Thank you, sir.
Himabindu, please tell us how this ACE classroom coaching program was useful for you in your preparation and cracking the GATE examination with such a good rank of All India rank of 42.
Yes, sir. Sir, actually, before joining ACE, I have already attempted GATE in 2021 also, and I have got 54 marks in that exam. But before joining ACE, I know the subject, but I didn't have much clarity about some subjects like power electronics and analog circuits, digital, and all those. And by joining ACE and by attending classroom coaching classes, I have gained total knowledge about that subjects, and I was able to solve much more better than in 2021.
Right, good. So this classroom coaching program,
Yes.
did you come across entire syllabus of your GATE thoroughly?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Actually, ACE faculty has covered entire syllabus more than what we need in GATE exam also.
Over covered, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, good. Now, how appropriate these classes were for your GATE examination?
Sir, I think they are very better because before attending all those classes, I know the subject, but I didn't know how to link all those chains and all those matter I know. But once joining ACE classes and listening to that ACE faculty classes, I came to know how to join the links in every subject and how to link each and every subject and how to coordinate them so that I can solve the questions much more easily.
Right. Okay. Himabindu, did you attend all these classes in the class, or any part left over and made you to attend what you call live classes or online
Sir,
something like that?
actually, from July 20 to September 11th, the classes were held in online mode only, sir, because of COVID, that thing.
Okay.
Nearly two subjects have completed in online mode only, sir. Then from September 11th onwards, entire classroom was in classes were in classroom mode only, sir.
Okay. So some subjects you attended
In online
online.
mode. Yes, sir.
Online.
Yes,
Remaining subjects you attended in the classroom.
yes, sir.
Okay, Himabindu, I think you are the right person to comment about this one. What
Yes,
was
sir.
your experience while attending the classes in the online mode and also in the actual classroom? What difference that you noticed yourself?
Sir, to be frank, offline mode classes are very best according to me, sir, according to my personal view. Because in online mode, yeah, it is very good because everything is perfect. Because ACE was trying very much to give us like students because teaching was all good, sir. But as long as according to me, offline is very good because we can concentrate more on what the faculty is saying, sir, and also we can be more what you say we can ask more questions and we can ask more doubts easily in offline mode, sir.
No doubts you can raise even in the online mode also. We have made all the
Yes,
facilities.
sir. Yes, sir. All those facilities are there.
But in your opinion, relatively, in offline you
Offline
can
is
have
best, sir.
direct interaction with the faculty in the classroom itself, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So you felt that classroom lectures are better than that
Better.
online, is it?
Yes, sir. Yes, it was my personal view, sir.
Okay, right. Okay, because some students say that the reverse also,
Yeah.
that's
Yeah.
also there. Okay, no, it all
Yes.
depends upon the individual persons, right?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay, while attending these classes in the actual classroom or otherwise say online,
Yes, sir.
did you prepare full length notes?
Yes, sir. Actually, I have noted down everything what faculty was saying. I didn't even miss any single formula also. I have noted down everything what they said, and I have revised it so many times also in my last 15 days like that.
Okay, maybe just to hold it. So for revision purpose, did you prepare any short notes extra? Given otherwise, class notes only you have used
No,
it?
sir. No, sir. Actually, I didn't prepare short notes before, but when I have started full-length papers, I came to know that I'm not, I'm forgetting some formulas, some important formulas, and I have noted down all those formulas as a short note, sir.
So in your short notes only formula were there, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, only formula.
So those that the short notes when you used to revise, at what interval you used to revise?
Sir, I used to revise it in last 15 days before gate, and also the day before gate exam also, sir.
Okay, that's right, Himabindu.
Yes,
Himabindu, for our classroom coaching students, we provide good coaching material. Like for every subject, we give volume 1, volume 2.
yes, sir.
Then we give the previous year's question bank along with the detailed solutions.
Yes, sir.
Then we have bits and bytes also.
Yes, sir.
So
That was
tell
the
us
very
to
best
what
thing I
extent
have
this
solved,
material
sir.
was useful to you,
Sir, actually, that material was very much useful, sir, because everyone as a student, will read notes for many times, sir, because for revision purpose. But as long as we read, we'll only think that, yeah, we know every subject, overall subject. But until and unless we solve a question, we don't know how to solve it and in which format we have to solve. And in ACE Academy Volume 2 and previous year's question papers books, I found each and every model to solve, sir, in every subject.
right?
Yeah, because of that, I in exam also when I see a question, yeah, I'm remembering like, yeah, I have solved this like this, so I can solve like in that model. I could remember those models because I solved each and every problem in the volume 2 and the gate previous years, sir. And also bits and bytes, it was very useful for my revision purpose.
Yeah, bits and bytes we are given different
Yes, sir.
models of questions they would on the gate pattern, right?
Yes, sir. In last 1 month, I have solved those bits and bytes books only, sir. It helped me very much in my revision purpose.
Okay. Himabindu, after attending the classes,
Yes, sir.
so when you go to your room,
Yes, sir.
how many hours you used to get for the preparation? In the preparation time, how you used those hours effectively?
So actually, since I have took like flexible batch, I didn't get so much hours to read during my classes time, sir. But I used to give nearly 3 to 4 hours after coming from class, sir.
Right. So after coming from the classes, you used to spend a minimum 3 to 4 hours
Three
on
to
the
four hours, sir. Yes, sir.
gate preparation.
Yes, sir.
3 to 4 hours of time, what you used to do actually? Did you refer to the same notes what you attend in the class? Otherwise, any extra subject you have taken or revision purpose?
So actually, I used to prepare the subject which was already over. If currently one subject is going on, other subject has already over, right, sir? I used to prepare that subject entirely. Like I used to read first notes of the ACE faculty, like what I have noted down in classes, and then I used to read each and every line of volume 1, and I used to solve each and every problem of volume 2, sir. And then I used to go for test series, sir, like related to single subject tests.
Okay. Was the time sufficient for you attending the classes, again preparing, revising the subjects, and
Uh,
again attending the mock test?
Yes, sir. Actually, it was a bit hectic for me also because the classes were from morning 6 to evening night 8 also sometimes. During that time, I used to prepare just only for 2 hours or 1 hour, sir. But it was fine, sir. The time was enough for me to prepare everything and to attend for mock tests also.
Right. So,
Yes, sir.
even though it was somewhat hectic,
Yes, sir.
but youngsters like you can do it, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
You have to do it because the exam is there, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So whenever you think of the examination, you do derive that energy, enthusiasm you have to carry out.
Yes, sir. For sure.
Right.
Yeah.
Good Himabindu, right?
Yes.
Himabindu,
Yes, sir.
uh, in your view,
Yes.
uh, uh, taking classroom coaching and preparing for 6 months, 8 months of time simultaneously, right?
Yes, sir.
Is it good enough for your gate preparation? Is it sufficient to crack good rank in the gate examination?
Yes, sir. In my view, like taking coaching and preparing for 8 months is enough for gate exams, sir, to crack gate.
Right.
With that much of preparation, we can get good rank in GATE, sir.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay, Himabindu, with your experience, right? You gave last year also gate exam, and this
Yes,
year
sir.
gate 2020 also you gave gate exam.
Yes,
You
sir.
got a very good rank also. So
Yes.
from your experience to your juniors,
Yes, sir.
what do you want to give some tips, etc.?
So tips in the sense, what I have seen in my friends also, most of the candidates when during November and December time, they usually go for mock tests or test series, sir. And most of them after seeing their marks, because in every candidate will get low marks in their first or second exam, sir, in test series. Obviously, it has happened with me also. But when they got less marks and everything, they'll get disappointed and they'll give up, sir. Like in last minute, like in November, December, like that. At that time, I have seen most of my friends giving up like that only, sir. So, in my opinion, don't give up by seeing test series marks, and go for write more test series like mock tests, sir, in my opinion. Because by writing more mock tests only, we can know what are our mistakes, and how can we overcome them. Like that, we can know only when we attend most of the mock tests, sir. Actually, in my opinion, giving more than 40 mock tests is the best thing we can do for GATE, sir.
Right. And I just want to add one more point to your points, Ms. Himabindu.
Yes, sir.
See, whenever you get some low marks in the mock test, you do get discouraged as a
Yes,
students.
sir.
So
Yes, sir.
what we advise to students also, don't take mock exams without prior preparation.
Yes, sir. Yes.
You have to give the mock exams only when you had some good amount of preparation.
Yes, sir.
That
Yes.
too in the beginning, when you are preparing subject from the scratch, it is
Yes.
better to give topic-based test and subject-based test.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So once you get some hold good command over the subjects after one or
Yes.
two revisions,
Yes.
probably in the month of November, December, January, when you're comfortable, when you give full length mock test,
Yes, sir.
then that really shows your actual performance, your stage of preparation.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What I
Isn't it?
saw is, yes, sir. In starting mock tests, I used to do many more mistakes in relating to direct formula questions also, sir. Why? Because I didn't get to remember entire formulas at once. But after writing 4 to 5 exams, I used to get all those formulas remember correctly, sir. So
Yes, yes,
that's
that
why
is.
I'm mentioning this point.
Yeah, that is true. Absolutely, I do agree, Bindu,
Yes,
because
yes,
practice makes you always a perfect.
yes, sir.
When you give 4 or 5 mock exams, then
Yes,
you will realize what is missing with you, what is lacking, right?
yes, sir.
Accordingly,
Yes,
you will strengthen those weak areas, etc. Then
yes,
you
sir.
will come to know what to prepare and all, and how to score more marks and also. Students need to have some patience.
Yes, sir. Yes, yes.
Just because they get
Exactly.
some low marks, they should not give up.
Yes, yes, yes,
Because GATE exam is going to be in the month of February.
yes, sir.
Till the last minute of time, you have to be
We
hopeful.
have
You
to
have to
prepare. Yes,
keep
sir.
on trying, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay, very good. So that is a good suggestion what you give from your side, Himabindu.
Thank you,
I
sir.
think most of the aspirants of the GATE examination or any examination,
Yes,
this
sir.
point you will take. Just because you got some low marks in the mock exam, don't get discouraged.
Yes, sir.
Keep
Yes,
trying. Definitely you will be successful like our Himabindu.
yes, sir.
Good.
Yeah.
Apart from that, Himabindu, do you want to give any more suggestion? How to be mentally stable? How to be mentally stable? How to derive that energy, enthusiasm? Any more point that you want to add?
Sir, mental stability means I'll tell you what I have faced in my during my preparation time, sir. Because most of my friends from my college got jobs and placements even with me. I also got, but I rejected them. But most of them got selected and they joined in placement jobs. Because not only me, sir, most of the students who are coming from BTech final year, everyone is facing this, sir. Because already when sometimes we will get disappointed during the preparation time because how much subject we have, like thinking like that. And during that time we'll remember them like they're all doing jobs and we are not even doing job. Will we be successful in this gate or not? These are all the thoughts what I got, sir, during my preparation time. I don't know whether all the candidates will get these thoughts or not, but when I got those thoughts, I should say this: my parents encouraged me most, sir. And also self encouragement is the most important thing a candidate should have while preparing for gate. Self motivation is the most important thing, sir. They
No,
should
that is,
motivate themselves.
yeah, you have nicely touched those points, Himabindu. In fact, we came across this type of feelings from the students.
Yes, sir.
When you are in campus, they get some campus placements,
Yes, sir.
some what you call low level, otherwise the average salary package.
Yes, yes.
But when you don't join, when you come for gate coaching seriously, preparing at what you call in some other place,
Yes, sir.
taking rigorous coaching, working hard, definitely
Yes.
many times you come across when you compare with your friends,
Yes, sir.
you think that I would have joined the job campus placement, something you'll think of. But one thing, once you get a good gate rank like you, if you join some PSU,
Or some
otherwise the MTech
IIT.
from
Yes, sir.
IIC, IIT, when you
Yes.
get such a campus from those premier campuses, your
Yes, sir.
feelings will be entirely different. You get that 100% satisfaction.
Yeah, that's what every candidate should remember, sir, actually, not
Absolutely
including
nice.
me. Yeah.
Okay, meanwhile, Himabindu, from which college are you from?
Sir, I have completed my BTech in Sri Venkateshwara University, sir, Tirupati.
So you are BTech from SV University, Tirupati.
Yes, sir.
So you got some campus placement there.
Yes, sir. I've got in 3 companies, sir.
Okay. Can you name those three companies placements?
Sir, I've got in TCS, Cognizant, and Infosys, sir.
So TCS, Infosys, Cognizant Technologies.
Cognizant, sir.
All
Yes.
the three software jobs.
Yes, sir.
How much package that you are offered there?
Sir, the highest was from CTS, 4 LPA per annum. 4
Okay.
LPS.
Yeah, 4 lakhs per annum.
Yes, sir.
But nothing to worry, Himabindu. Now
Yes.
you feel that you have taken a right decision.
Yes, sir. That's
You
what
will
I
get
thought.
definitely some PSU job.
Yes, sir.
Otherwise, MTech from premier colleges.
Yes, sir.
Now, what you want to choose between these two now?
Sir, as per I am in a bit of confusion right now, sir. I don't know exactly, but I'm applying for MTech as of now.
Yeah,
But if I get a PSC, I'll decide like that.
yeah.
Yeah.
Keep trying for both the Himabindu. That's what we suggest from our side.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Because you do not know exactly which PS that you are going to get, Power Grid Corporation or
Yes,
something
sir.
like
Yes,
that.
yes,
You do not know exactly which oil
yes,
company otherwise.
yes,
So
sir.
keep trying for both the PSUs as well as MTech admission also.
Yes, sir.
And depending upon the selections, then you can decide afterwards. So
Yes, sir.
for now, you have to keep on applying, right?
Yes, sir.
Now you
That's
have
what I'm
multiple
doing.
options. Now the ball is in your court. You have to choose.
Yes, sir.
You have to choose now,
Yes, sir.
right? Very good,
Yes.
Himabindu. It's nice to talk to you.
Yeah.
Okay,
Same.
Himabindu, one more
Yes, sir.
point. Let me ask you.
Yes,
In
sir.
our electrical engineering, there are many
Yes.
subjects,
Yes, sir.
and one of the vast syllabus. If you compare
Yeah.
other
Yes,
branches
sir.
of engineering, especially
Yes.
electrical is very vast syllabus.
Yes, sir.
So when you have so many subjects, do you suggest anything to follow a particular sequence while preparing for the gate examination, or you can prepare randomly? What is your take?
Sir, actually, during my BTech only, I have developed interest towards machine subjects. So I used to study some textbooks like that regarding machines. But what I suggest is after joining ACE and all those, what I learned was instead of going for the subjects which we like most, it's more useful if we go for the subjects which will give us more marks like control systems, digital, maths, aptitude, and all those, and then coming for subjects like machines, power electronics. So if
Right,
you ask me about sequence, I'll suggest like control systems, digital, maths, aptitude, and then core subjects like machines, power systems, power electronics.
right. That is the best sequence, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes. Students have to observe this one. It will be better if you can finish off those easy and highly scoring subjects in the
Yes,
beginning.
sir. Exactly.
So
Yeah.
that gives you some sort of a mental relief,
Yes, sir.
and some confidence levels are going to rise in.
Yes.
Yes, isn't it?
Exactly, sir.
Okay. Okay. If I ask you in your electrical engineering,
Yes, sir.
which are the easy subjects, what do you say? Can you name three, four easy subjects?
Sir, easy subjects in the sense I felt like power systems and control systems are the easiest ones.
So the two systems, right? Power system,
Yes, sir.
control
Yeah.
system,
Yeah. And also, my interesting subject was machines, sir, always.
machines. Okay,
Yeah.
good, good.
Yes, sir.
Even if I ask you the other way, two subjects which are tough in electrical engineering, in
First
your
one is
view, what are those?
first one is power electronics, sir.
And second one,
I felt like unlock, sir. Unlock, sir.
circuits, right?
Yeah.
Anyway, right. So students have to answer this particular point. Of course,
Yes.
sometimes it varies from
Yeah,
student to
person
student,
to person, sir. Yes.
depending upon your interest. But in general, it may have this type of trend. What you said,
Yes, sir.
right? Apart from this, do you want to share any more points with your juniors?
With my juniors means I'll
I
always
mean, the
suggest one.
aspirants of the gate examination, those who
So I'll
want to
always
crack
suggest
like you.
one thing, sir. Instead of concentrating on marks, if we concentrate on subject, it will be more useful for us, sir. Because most of the students think like getting marks is the final goal for them in GATE. But in my opinion, learning the subject is the first aim which every student should have, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Uh, See that on the day of the gate examination.
Yes, sir.
So did you discuss this point? How you have spent your 3 hours of time on the 65 questions?
Sir, actually, I went into the exam hall like I'm writing another one more test series like that only. I'm not thinking about it's the main gate exam. I'm going to give the main gate exam. This is the final day for me. I didn't went to into the exam hall thinking like that, sir. I just went and write like it was one more test series paper like that only. And whatever I have learned. I put it on paper in those 3 hours. Sir. I didn't think about anything else. I just read the question and think how to solve it and put it on paper. That's it, sir.
Right. Good. For your 42 rank, Himabindu, how many
Yes.
marks you have got? What was the score? Gate score?
My marks were 80 out of 100, sir, and my score is 878, sir.
878. Right.
Yes.
Good.
Yes.
Okay, Himabindu, it's very nice to talk to you.
Yes, sir.
And thank you for sharing some of the useful tips. And
Yes,
I
sir.
wish you all good luck in all your future attempts.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so
God
much.
bless you, Himabindu.
Thank you, sir.